In this video, I will be showing you Undetectable AI Essay Writer option. So let's just discuss about that and how you can access it. So you can see we got a lot of features on Undetectable, but the one we are interested in today is going to be the Essay Writer. So for that, you can access using two different sites. You can see we have AI Essay Writer on the dashboard itself, and we also have it on the left side menu. Click on AI Essay Writer, and once you do, you can see you can slap in here any topic, like for example AI trends and latest features. You can also select essay length. Let's just say I want to keep it short. Academic level could be doctorate, university, or high school. Let's just set it to university. Language, you can select that as well, and also essay type. Let's just choose maybe from here um, cause and effect. Yeah, that sounds really interesting. Click on write my essay. So it also have some options below. You can see I agree to the terms. You're going to be making sure that you simply choose that, because that is something ethically to be done. We have include citations. If you want references, it is going to be providing you that as well. And you can see we have AI humanized, and simply click on this write my essay. You can also use this humanized option to generate it in a humanized manner. So currently it's going to be of course using AI, but yeah, you can see the emergency of artificial intelligence trends and latest features have revolutionized various aspects of our lives, leading to a cascade of effects on global landscape. So you can see looks really neat and good to download. You can copy as well. Now below it is saying that your content is detectable as written by AI, and let's just try that as well. So if I copy this, you will be able to have an idea that if you copy this and head over to AI detector, and let's just slap that here and click in I'm sorry, not humanize, check for AI. Is going to be taking a couple of seconds, so check that. And yeah, let me just refresh the page. So we got everything in line. Check for AI, and you can see tailor for you. Click on not now. Okay, so the process is begun, and let's just see what it is gonna be coming up with. So since our text is a bit long, it is gonna be taking a couple of moments. Okay, it's almost done. And yeah, so it's saying 95% AI. So yeah, that's how it is. If you want to turn it to humanized form and detectable, click on this humanize option and you will be good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.